thumbs up. Thank you, thank you.
This.
Philippines beautiful place. Yes, thank you, sis. Especially Cebu, Palawan, Baguio. Hello da. Alright, hello.
This.
Thank you, everyone. Snow? Don't do that. Thank you for greeting time. You're welcome. God bless you all. God bless you too. Natural Arts, mega love shout out. Aywa, thank you for great time. Hi, can you say my name is... Hello, Natural Art. Mega love shout out. Healthcare. I don't know what happened that television. Welcome from USA. Shout out to from USA. Mega love shout out. Hello, Natural Art. Mega love shout out. What happened that the remote? Stand 1 minute. I'm from India. Shout out to from India. Shout out. Please like and share. You're looking beautiful from. Thank you so much. Give Ignan, give. Sharing, yalla, sharing. You're looking beautiful, my friends. Thank you, my dear friends. I'm from Dubai. Shout out to all from Dubai. You're looking. Thank you from USA. Thank you, Mahi. Slowly. Shout out from Dubai, from India, and from USA. Shout out everyone. You are married? Of course not. I'm married. I have 4 kids. Slowly. Take care of the kalas, the kullo. Kalas kullo. Hati. Hati, I put Isabella the garbage.
This one.
Yes, I have a 4 grandson.
Mama. Chocolate.
Keep chocolate, yalla. Pawaso. Hati. Thumbs up, please. Like and share. Are you 40? No. I'm 47. Yalla, give me. I'm 47 years old. I'm not 47. Hati, give me. Then I put in the garbage. Yalla. Habibi. Habibi, Allah Habibi, Allah Habibi. Like it. Ada remote problem. Di Pinata hati. Hati remote. Ay, wait, Nin. You have a kids with you. No, I don't have kids. Yes, kids, my madam. Hello, is Tiger. Mega love shot. Oh. Ada remote fe. Habibi. Mahihi wasi. Habibi. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Mega love shout out. Habibi. God is great. Mapik. Mapik po. Kali da awol. Kalas awol. Like down. Thank you so much. Like and share, please. Awol kalas da. Alright. Always be happy and smile. Yes, you're right. Don't open owl. Owl, finish the owl. 1 minute. You can open the sports, the kids. It's a beauty world. Thank you so much.